Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamlashawn here. So if you've already read the title, you know what this video is about. Tonight I am recording a late night clean with me, after dark clean with me. These are the things that I do before I go to sleep at night. So by this time, everybody is in bed or either at work. My husband is in a bedroom watching his shows or whatever it is that he watches. I come in here and I just kind of clean up at night, put on some music or watch YouTube videos, and I clean up at night. This takes me about maybe an hour, hour and a half to do every single night. So I'm in the loft, which is upstairs. This is the area where everybody comes in, watches TV, relax or whatever. And I'm just straightening up the area because by now nobody has cleaned it up. So I'm just getting everything clean. Plus at night is my peace. I like to come in here and clean up because I want it to look a certain way when I wake up in the morning. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Put on your notifications so that you don't miss an upload from me. I will be dropping in every once in a while to just kind of explain my process of cleaning up at night. But until then, I'm going to let you enjoy the music. You guys, this is not a detailed kitchen clean with me, and the reason being is because I did just post a video of a deep clean kitchen clean with me. I'll go ahead and link that here at the top, and I'll also link it in the description box. If you have not watched it already, it will be there for you to watch. Something else that I like to do at night is pour some white vinegar inside of a cup and let it run in the dishwasher overnight. I do this because we do have hard water here in Houston, and also it just kind of freshens up your dishwasher a little bit. So when I get up in the morning, I will wipe all the water out if it is not dry already, and then I just kind of let it air out. Okay, so this is not a part of it, but I just want to drop a little gem. If you are having a hard time drinking water like I do, I like to drink it out of a straw, you guys. I try to stay as hydrated as possible. So my husband bought me a Yeti cup. I fill this up maybe about 4 to 5 times a day, and I drink my water through a straw because it helps. I also like to drink really, really cold water because I heard that when you drink really, really cold water, it helps you burn more calories because your body is fighting trying to stay warm. So just a little FYI for those of you that have a hard time drinking water like I do. All right, y'all, these are my jam. This is the garbage disposal cleaner and freshener. Just cut on your garbage disposal, the hot water, let it run and drop one in. And you guys, it smells so good. And then you know how I feel about my essential oil. I just drop a couple of drops of these in and just go about my merry way. It smells so good, you guys, in the kitchen, like really, really good. So the very last thing that I like to do in the kitchen is steam mop the floors. I don't do this every night, maybe once or twice a week, and it just so happened to be the night I needed to do it. I use the scrub method because it helps with getting any stickiness off the floor. Anything that is stuck to the floor, it will come up. And as you can see there, the steam is coming on, and I'm just gonna mop the floor with it. I mop the entire area because this area is a high traffic area. It tends to carry a lot of dirt and a lot of dust. So I make sure that I tend to this area more than any other place in the house, except the bathrooms. The bathrooms I tend to a lot also. So I want to show you all what the mop looks like after I'm done. This is the back part right here that I didn't use, and this is the front. So as you can see, it's really, really dirty. This is the side that I use to mop the floor. It's really, really dirty, which is why I try to steam mop the floors at least 2 to 3 times a week. So here we are in the living room now. No one really sits in this area, so I don't do a lot in here. I don't even vacuum in here every single night. I vacuum in here maybe every other night or sometimes just 2 to 3 times a week. We mainly use the loft area, so I just spray this area down, make sure it smells good, make sure it looks decent. And now we're by the front door, which is not a lot to do either. It is a high traffic area, but I still don't steam mop in here every single night. And I need to change the yellow lighting in here, you guys. As you can see, it's very, very yellow. So we are all done. Everything is nice and clean. It's smelling good. As you can see, it's bright in here because I have the daylight light bulb, so I need to change the other ones. And that box there is just some boxes of knobs that I need to put on the door, so y'all never mind that also. But it's nice, it's clean, it smells really, really good. And then now we're I'm gonna show you all what it looks like here. All those bags of clothes are going to the shelter, so I do have to drop those off. But everything is nice and clean, it smells good, it looks good. And this is my nighttime routine, you guys, every single night. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. Other than that, you guys, I'll see you back the next time.